Spend nearly 4 weeks sailing with Viking from Sweden to Spain, visiting the best ports of Europe. Friendly Stockholm is where you'll begin with a relaxing overnight stay. Explore Finland's sparkling capital of Helsinki. And St. Petersburg is a dream of palaces, fountains and cathedrals. Unexpected enchantment is to be found in the medieval streets of Estonia's Tallinn. Gdansk boasts momentous sights and inviting diversions. Fascinating Berlin blends the modern and historic, while quaint Copenhagen is a great introduction to the many charms of Danish culture. You'll wander the cobblestone streets to see the Baroque architecture of Aalborg. In Norway, get to know the wooden buildings of the old quarter of Stavanger and take in the scenic splendors of Flåm. Delve into Hanseatic history with 2 nights in majestic Bergen. The attractions of London lore are yours to discover on an overnight stay. In Paris, it's on to the museums, cafes and monuments. In Lisbon, you might enjoy a walk through the old Alfama district. Cadiz is home to elaborate plazas and iconic gold-domed cathedrals. Gibraltar is the gateway to the Mediterranean, where you'll discover the beaches and historic sites of Cartagena, before your epic voyage concludes in bustling Barcelona.